Use the post navigation to facilitate easy navigation between different posts in your blog. Within the builder, go to the Elements sidebar on the left and scroll down to the bottom under the blog section. Here you'll find the navigation element. Click, hold and drag, and usually this is placed at the bottom of posts to allow for that easy navigation to a previous or a next post. To interact with it, select it, go to the options, and you will see that you have a separator that you can change in percentage in relation to the container height, and then also spacing between the label and the post text. Under Advanced, you can turn off the label, the post, or the separator. Under Typography, you can style the label and post separately. I'll go to Post and reduce this to something like 16, make it a little bit smaller. Let's do the same for label. And then the same we have for colors. We have a color for the label, the post, and separator. Hover states. Let's change that. Just make all of these black, just for a little bit of difference. Within settings, you get the normal styling, as well as your effects.